How to make a birdhouse out of a gourd. Let's see, these are ones that we grew. Not that one, but yeah, we got this one. And could you imagine if you were a little bird, you could kind of like live inside here or something like that? And we'll get a bigger one. Oh, this is a bigger one. Now, we have to drill a hole for a bird, and that's it. Maybe put a string on it to let them get in there. Yeah, so we'll get some gloves on here, protect my little mittens. Hey, a little bit loose in there. Well, we need some drills. Now we have an assortment here, and you got to think about the size bird that's going to go in there. So we're going to take this one here and drill inside there. Get my handy dandy drill. Get that out of there. Get some power. Thank goodness for electricity, eh? Let's see if this will fit. And how's that look? Does that look okay? Yeah, it doesn't want to stay centered there. Yeah, look at the stuff that's inside there. Maybe we'll let the birds clean that out, huh? We'll just hang it up. We'll stick a little stick right there so they can land on it. And that'll be fine. How about that? Natural birdhouse.